Hello, dear children. Hope you all are well. Today we will continue our EVS lesson number 6 Clothes. Let's start with a short recap of what we learnt in our last class. We wear clothes to cover our body and to protect us from heat and cold. When we feel the heat, we wear light cotton clothes. In the same way, when we feel the cold, we wear woolen clothes like jackets, muffler, woolen cap, etc. Clothes also protect us from insect bites and small injuries. Now, what are insects? Insects are very small animals with 6 or more feet, like housefly, butterfly, ant, etc. Do we wear the same type of clothes everywhere we go? No. We wear different types of clothes at different places. As when we go to school, we wear a uniform, and like us, there are some more people who wear uniforms like nurse, policeman, firefighter. Nowadays, we all are at our homes and we like to wear comfortable clothes, the clothes in which we feel free, like t shirt, frock, night dress, etc. But do we wear the same when we go to attend a marriage or a function? No, we wear formal clothes then. Formal clothes are coat, shirt, trousers, frock, gown, etc. These all are formal clothes. Next is clothes in different seasons. As in summer season, we like to eat ice creams and we like to drink cold drinks, and in winter season, we like to have hot drinks. In the same way, clothes also vary as per the season. In summer season, we like to wear cotton clothes, and cotton clothes keep us cool. They absorb the sweat. In winter season, we like to wear woolen clothes. They keep us warm, like sweater, jackets, woolen cap. There is one more season in which it rains heavily. Which season is this? Rainy season. Yes, in rainy season, we wear a raincoat to protect ourselves from the rain, and we use an umbrella also. Now, what are clothes made up of? Cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are made up of cotton, and we get cotton from cotton plant. Can you see these cotton balls in the picture? Farmers pluck these cotton balls from the plant and send them to the factories where cotton cloth is made. In the same way, woolen clothes are made up of wool, and we get wool from sheep. Some clothes are made up of silk also, and we get silk from silkworm. Now, open page number 165 for reading clothes in different seasons. We wear different clothes in different seasons. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep us cool. We wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. Sweaters, jackets, overcoats are some of the things we wear in winter. In rainy season, we wear a raincoat. It protects us from the rain. The clothes that we wear can be made up of cotton, wool, or silk. We get cotton from the cotton plant. We get wool from sheep. So, children, our lesson ends here. We will meet again with a new topic. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.